Здравствуйте.
Hello and welcome to Vocabulary Lesson 7, Part 2 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn how to conjugate verbs in the present tense. As you proceed through this Practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting if you remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. Here is the verb to be, which in its infinite form is
Быть.
There is no present tense for this verb in Russian, so is, are and am are implied. For example,
Что это?
what are they?
Это яблоки.
They are apples.
Кто это?
Who are these, or who are they?
Это мои друзья.
These are my friends, or they are my friends. The conjugation of this verb есть still exists for possession and archaic expressions. For example,
У меня есть книги.
I have some books. The verb to think in its infinitive form is думать. To say we think or we are thinking is
Мы думаем.
you has two forms in Russian,
Ты
is used informally and when addressing one person,
вы
is used formally and when addressing more than one person. So to say you think or you are thinking is
вы думаете.
to say they think or they are thinking is
Они думают.
the verb to read in its infinitive form is читать. To say we read or we are reading is
Мы читаем.
to say you read or you are reading is
Вы читаете.
to say they read or they are reading is
Они читают.
the verb to swim in Russian is плавать. To say we swim or we are swimming is
Мы плаваем.
to say you swim or you are swimming is
Вы плаваете.
to say they swim or they are swimming is
Они плавают.
the verb to fly in Russian is летать. To say we fly or we are flying is
Мы летаем.
to say you fly or you are flying is
Вы летаете.
to say they fly or they are flying is
Они летают. Он думает, и она тоже думает.
he thinks and she thinks too.
Мы думаем об этом вместе.
We think about it together.
О чем вы думаете?
What do you think about?
Они думают, что самолеты летают быстро.
They think planes fly fast.
Мальчики плавают хорошо.
Boys swim well.
Кораблик плавает в луже.
A boat floats in a puddle.
А корабли плавают на море.
And ships sail on the sea.
Чайки плавают и летают.
Seagulls swim and fly.
Я плаваю в бассейне.
I am swimming in the pool.
Вы тоже плаваете там?
Do you swim there too?
Где вы читаете?
Where do you read?
В комнате.
In the room.
О чем вы читаете?
What are you reading about?
Мы читаем о космосе и планете Марс.
We read about space and the planet Mars.
Они всегда читают вместе.
They always read together.
Он читает хорошо.
He reads well. In this lesson, you have learned how to conjugate verbs in the present tense. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.